Backyard. Look, I got one. Put the damn thing down. What is it talking about? On those.
So, bragging rights for the North versus South Texas tournament. For the North, John Stockman brought in 2 fish at 32.25 inches, giving the North a total of 32.25 inches.
Way to go, John.
Way to go, John. Way to go, man. Give him some credit. You pre-fished, right?
Yeah.
For the South, Brent Taylor brought in 2 fish. Clinton Holstein brought in 2 fish. Tim Nichols brought in 1 fish. Elliot Youngstrom brought in 1 fish. Brandon Utley brought in 1 fish. Given the South, total accumulated points, 110.75. Come on up, guys. Last thing for North versus South is Big Bass. Big Bass is taking home $190. Big Bass at 19.25 inches. Tim Nichols. Oh, damn.
Not in the running for any AOY or anything special. That's worth hungry.
Good job, Tim. $190 richer. Rookie of the Year is taking home 2. They're getting 2 of their 2016 entry fees covered for next year, with the acceptance of a Lone Star Beer Fishing Tournament jersey. They're taking home an Old Town Predator MX, a Carlisle Predator paddle, an Extra Sport PFD, pair of Smith optics, a Boca Bearing swag pack and $40 gift certificate, a top 9 rookie medal, a Rookie of the Year trophy, and 20 bags of Grande Bass. The value of that package is approximately $2,000. Rookie of the Year brought in 2 fish, 29.5 inches. Brent Taylor. All right, guys. He's taking 2 2016 entry fees prepaid for, so half your season next year is paid for already, if you choose to remain with us, and fish with a Lone Star Beer jersey. They're paying for it. Good job, man. Along with that, he's taking home the Old Town Predator MX, Carlisle Predator paddle, the Extra Sport PFD, a pair of Smith optics, a Boca Bearing swag pack and $40 gift certificate, got his medal. Here's his trophy. And 20 more packs of Grande Bass.
Good job, Brent.
Way to go, bro.
Right on, man. Well, you've got one more medal coming, dude. And that's because you were the official 2015 BTW circuit leader. Along with being the rookie of the year. Congratulations, dude. Appreciate it. Worked hard all year, dude. You deserve it. Get off the stage. So, Clinton Holstein, congratulations on being the acting Belt Temple Waco circuit leader in the 2015 CCKF AOY race. Good job. Next person I want to call up, Bobby LaBouffe. Bobby LaBouffe is your official 2015 ATX circuit leader. Next person I want to call up is Jason Del Frazee.
Yeah.
Jason Del Frazee is your official 2015 DFW circuit leader. Any of us have the reach to grab, and that's Chico. Come on up, man. So, 2015 Extraordinary Sport Medal, Capital City Kayak Fishing, Mike Chico Garcia of Johnson Outdoors. Give a round, everybody. The other three Extraordinary Sport Medals going out to Vince Borges of Phoenix Rods, Jerry Shin at Grande Bass Trophy Hunter Baits, and Wade Wyndham at WSI Outdoors. That translates into Smith. Everything that we've gotten through Smith is because of Wade and his team. You wouldn't believe how Smith and WSI Outdoors feels about us. I wish I could have afforded to be able to get Aaron Barber, Paul Loesch, Matt Hall, and Wade Wyndham one, but since I couldn't afford it, I went ahead and got their chief one, and that's Wade Wyndham. So for these three guys, let's give them a hand. Thank you. Angler of the Year is taking home a prize package of an approximate value of $3,400. They're taking home two 2016 entry fees covered with the acceptance of a Lone Star jersey. They're taking home a medal, taking home a trophy. They're taking home a live mount from Reader's Taxidermy, taking home a pair of Smith Optics, a Boca Bearing swag pack and $40 gift certificate, $1,720 cash, and 30 bags of Grande Bass Trophy Hunter baits. This AOY payout doubled what it was last year. So, third and fourth place, we have Bobby LaBouffe and Jason Del Frazee. Come on up, guys. Congratulations on your season.
For third. Thank you, sir.
Congratulations. You guys were two of the top three in the entire trail, all across Texas. So you guys should consider yourselves a job well done.
Yeah, thanks, bud.
Good. But give it to them. It beat everybody. Third place, or second place, brought in two fish at 28.75 inches. Clinton Holstein. Thank you. Good job. Good job. Congratulations. Good. Stand by. Your Angler of the Year 2015, brought in 2 fish at 29.50 inches. He's also your Rookie of the Year, Brent Taylor. Congrats, man. There you go. Same question. You've got to be pretty happy, man. You're stacking medals. You got a trophy. You beat the top 3 guys.
As far as the regular season goes, I didn't win any tournaments. Got 3rd at TPNO, caught my personal best there, a 9-pounder. Had some top 5 finishes. Didn't win any tournaments, but came out here and pre-fished 3 different times and found a similar pattern every single time in the same spot. So I was like, man, I'd be stupid to not go back there. And I didn't think 2 fish would do it, but it is what it is.
Well, this is your 2015 Angler of the Year trophy. Now that we know who it's going to be, I'm going to get the same nameplate, have the name put right here on it for him. It's